To make this quicker and neater version of an SSK decrease, first slip one stitch knitwise. That means you insert the tip of the right needle from left to right into the stitch, take the left needle out, leaving the stitch on the right needle. Now we return the stitch back to the left needle, but this time we don't twist it. We go with the left needle from left to right into the stitch and leave it on the left needle. Now insert the tip of the right needle from right to left into the slipped stitch and into the next stitch, and we knit these two stitches together through the back loop. So we simply wrap the tip of the right needle with the yarn, whether you hold the yarn in your left hand or right hand, doesn't matter. Pull the wrap through and slip both stitches off the left needle. To make this process even more efficient, when you return the slipped stitch to the left needle, don't take the right needle out of the stitch. So as soon as you place the stitch on the left needle, push the right needle a bit further, going into the next stitch, and then knit these two stitches through the back loop. That saves quite a bit of time, and if you have to make a lot of decreases in your project, then you will finish your project faster. And you will also form a lovely line of decreases, because the second stitch that we knitted in this decrease is twisted. We did not twist it, right? Then the line is flatter than the line formed by the usual SSK, and the stitches are more consistent. Technically, we could probably call this decrease an SK because we slipped just one stitch, but it's totally up to you. The full tutorial about this decrease is at tenroseday.com/nita-ssk. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.